Keep your mobility scooter looking as good as new with the CareCo Mobility Scooter Care Kit. With a cleaner, polish, spray, sponge and cloth all provided, our Care Kit protects and maintains your mobility scooter to keep you out and about and independent. The Fiberglass Gel Cleaner removes stubborn stains from the body of your mobility scooter. Formulated as a gel, it's easy to squeeze onto the supplied sponge and work into the fiberglass chassis to cut through and remove grease, grime and oil. The Fiberglass Gel Polish keeps your scooter looking good and protected from the dirt and grime. Like the Fiberglass Cleaner, the polish is a gel which can be easily applied using the lint-free cloth supplied with the CareCo Mobility Scooter Care Kit. Our mobility scooter maintenance box also comes with an anti-rust spray. Rust on the frame of your scooter can be a big problem. If left to get worse, it can cause parts of the scooter to weaken and eventually break. The anti-rust spray is fitted with a nozzle for easy application to any part of your scooter which may be affected by rust. The CareCo Mobility Scooter Care Kit is an essential maintenance accessory. For more information on how to look after your mobility scooter, visit CareCo's YouTube page. Here you'll find video guides filled with tips and advice on how to best assemble and maintain your mobility aid. The Mobility Scooter Care Kit from CareCo. For more details, have a look online, pop into a store or give us a call. Thanks for watching. Take care.